My name is Kyle Bazzillo with eXp Realty. I'm in Sage Creek where the Sage Village condos are being built. There aren't a lot of new construction condos being built right now, so I wanted to give you a first-hand look so you can see for yourself. These Sage Creek condos come in both 2 and 3 bedroom options. There are 5 different models for the 3 bedroom condos. They range from 1,240 square feet to 1,704 square feet. The 2 bedrooms range from 845 square feet to 1,015 square feet. So you see there's quite a large range and it's suitable for all family types. Here you can see a 3D rendering and the blueprint of both the 3 bedroom and the 2 bedroom designs. These Sage Village condos are being built by Streetside Developments at 120 Sage Creek Boulevard, right next to the village center. You'll be within a minute's walk from all of Sage Creek's amenities. It's a 5-story, 73-unit condominium boasting with luxury finishings. All suites have 9-foot ceilings except for the top floor, which has a 10-foot ceiling. The units have luxury lino plank flooring, quartz countertops, and black matte finishes. Other building features include a private meeting room, fitness center, a lounge with a big screen TV and a pool table, and of course, the condo is pet friendly. The Sage Village condos are expected to be completed in early 2025. They're well ahead of schedule selling these units, as already 60% are sold. If you're interested in this condo, or any other condo, or anywhere in Sage Creek, give me a call today and I'll help you find the best deal possible. I'm always here to help. And that's my update for the Sage Village condos. Please subscribe if you want to see more content and more updates of sites like this around Winnipeg.